all about online marketing. Online marketing is the art and science of selling products and/or services over digital networks, such as the internet and cellular phone networks. The art of online marketing involves finding the right online marketing mix of strategies that appeals to your target market and will actually translate into sales. The science of online marketing is the research and analysis that goes into both choosing the online marketing strategies to use and measuring the success of those online marketing strategies. Key principles of online marketing. For preparing a successful online marketing strategy, you must be properly conduct research on all of the online marketing tools like social media, SEO, mobile site optimization, content creation, monitoring progress. Best online marketing strategies. What online marketing strategies will best fit your business and your marketing budget? This Marketing Online Primer presents an overview of strategies for you to choose from. A successful marketing online depends on diversity and persistence for most small businesses. Most effective online marketing techniques. Article marketing consists of writing helpful, informative, easy to understand articles that actually help your readers, instead of trying to sell them something. Blogs can increase your customer base, your traffic and your search engine ranking, thus increasing your sales. Design publishing has been around much longer than blogging and is far more effective. And also many leads can come from networking and search for appropriate groups.